We've all been there, running late for work, rushing out the door, but not every day does this happen.
Having a bad day? Well, at Precision Door, we understand accidents happen. We'd like to help. We can send out a door designer free of charge to show you new doors, new designs, and new colors, or maybe just like a door you had. Precision Door, a name you can trust. Your mom's gonna kill us.